I love that music. And welcome back to another episode of Microdact 4K Ponderable Moments. Here we go. See these bees? We need them. They don't need us. As a matter of fact, we are endangering their lives. I think we all need to remember this. We need nature, and nature does not need us. If that simple fact can sink in, we will be better off for that revelation. Today in our neighborhood's newsletter, a resident who lives near a lake was complaining about the snakes and frogs. She wanted to know the best way to kill them all. I have read so many complaints from residents who deliberately bought their house on a lake and yet complain about the wildlife. I have read complaints in our newsletter about raccoons, foxes, feral cats, possums, and yes, bees too. One even complained that birds were making too much noise. Another neighborhood complained that people walking on the road by the lake were taking photographs. See what I mean? What's the answer to these seemingly negative complaints? Do you know? Oh well. In the meantime, join me in admiring these bees as they do what they do best. Pollinate the many plants and trees around this beautiful lake.